In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Show Legal Moves on Chess.com. If you're new to the platform or you want a little extra visual help while you play, turning on Show Legal Moves is a quick way to make your games clearer. With this feature enabled, when you select a piece, Chess.com highlights every square that piece can legally move to, helping you avoid illegal moves and spot options you might otherwise miss. It doesn't play for you or give you advice. It simply shows what's allowed according to the rules, which makes it great for learning and for faster, cleaner gameplay. Start by logging in to your chess.com account. Once you're signed in, look for the Settings gear icon. Depending on your layout and device, you'll typically find it on the left side of the screen or in the top right corner. It looks like a small gear and it opens the menu where you can customize your experience. From that menu, choose All Settings. This takes you to the Full Settings dashboard, which is where the deeper customization options live. If you ever open a quick settings panel by mistake, All Settings is the comprehensive view you want. In the Settings dashboard, go to the Gameplay tab. This section controls how the board behaves, the way pieces move and animate, and other in-game preferences. It's the best place to fine-tune how your board feels while you're playing. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Show Legal Moves. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Turn that toggle on. With this enabled, selecting a piece will highlight all squares that piece can legally move to, based on the position and the rules of chess. It's especially helpful for avoiding accidental blunders like moving into check or missing a simple capture. If you prefer a minimal board later on, you can return here and switch it off just as easily. To make sure your choice is saved, click the Save or Save Changes button. On some screens, this button appears at the bottom of the page, so scroll down if you don't see it immediately. Once you save, your preference is applied to your account, and it will carry over across games and sessions. That's it. Show Legal Moves is now enabled. The next time you play, you'll see those helpful highlights as soon as you select a piece. If you're training, coaching, or simply want a smoother experience, this setting is a simple upgrade that can make your games more intuitive. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next match on chess.com.